Okay, so today we're going to be applying all of our exponent laws that we've been working on all unit and putting them together into one big problem. So I've gone ahead here on the top row and written out all the exponent laws that you would have learned in grade 9 and the ones we've been using in the last couple days here. So the example that I've chosen for us to do today is 12 times x to the negative 5 times y to the power of 5 over 2. All of that over 3x to the 1/2 and y to the negative 1/2. Now, I know this problem looks daunting, but I promise we can simplify it so that'll be a lot easier. So first thing I'm going to do here is combine our cats with our cats and our dogs with our dogs. So we're going to go ahead and break this up into 12 over 3 times, keep our x's together, x to the negative 5th over x to the 1/2 times y to the 5/2 over y to the negative 1/2. Okay, so from here, all we have to do is start applying our exponent laws. So if we go up here and check, we're going to be primarily using this one right here. A to the m over a to the n is equal to a to the m minus n. Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is do the easy stuff, and 12 divided by 3 we know is 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead over here on the side in a different color. We're going to do some scratch work. So x to the negative 5 over x to the 1/2 is the same as x to the negative 5 minus 1/2. Okay, so in order to do this operation, we're going to have to change them to a common denominator. So we are going to change this to x to the negative 10/2 minus 1/2. So that's going to give us an answer of x to the negative 11/2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that over here. So we're going to get x to the negative 11/2. Now we're going to go back over to the right side to work with our y's. So if we have y to the power of 5 over 2 over y to the negative 1/2, that's going to be the same as y to the power of 5 over 2 minus a negative 1/2. And these are already, they already have common denominators, so we don't have to do any extra math there. We can just do basic subtraction. So this is going to be y to the power of 5 over 2. Our negatives over here are going to cancel, and so that means we're going to switch that to plus 1/2. So we're going to get y to the power of 6 over 2, which we can simplify to y cubed. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put that back here on our left side. So this is going to be y cubed. Now we're not done simplifying this yet because we still have a negative exponent right there. Okay, so in order to fix that negative exponent and make it positive, we're going to have to get the reciprocal of x. So we're going to bring our 4 down to keep everything equal, and this is going to turn into 1 over x to the 11/2 times y cubed. Now all we have to do is combine and put our fraction back together. So if you want to make this easier on yourself, you can go ahead and put your whole numbers over 1, and that might make it a little easier to visualize. And we're just going to combine everything. So on the top we have 4 times 1 times y cubed. So that's going to simplify to 4y cubed. And all of that is going to be over 1 times x to the power of 11/2 times 1. And that's going to give us our final answer of x to the 11/2 for our denominator. And this here is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps.